The warmth of that podium we all felt, I guess, and still absorbing, still not getting over the fact that Toto calling uh, all three. It feels like all three drivers are from Mercedes. Like every bit of it is unreal. It's one of those days when you feel so many emotion together. Like very happy for Kimi, no doubt. Right now, also in the field, there are so many drivers still waiting for their first win, and Kimi in his second, then he got his first win. So yeah, really, really, really very happy for him. Happy again for Sir Lewis, as he is someone I am personally also adoring from a very long time. But last 2 years for every Ferrari fan and Hamilton fan, it was difficult time for him plus us also. So watching him there with Mercedes is also very unreal. Really, really great sportsmanship, or what we saw today on podium on top three. Even Leclerc mentioning that fight between him and Sir Lewis is really, really very good racing. We also felt that between two teammates, this is very good. So shout out for Leclerc as well. I mentioned yesterday that he can do better. He did it. He performed really well. So all the very best for him for next race. I just wanted to mention McLaren, because yesterday I was saying McLaren can fight with Ferrari for the second, for the third, fourth position. I don't know what happened. I think I put the evil eye on them or something. I don't know what happened to McLaren boys and with their cars. I was missing them between these two fighting with each other. If they could have added some little more twist and tanginess there, it would be good, right? Also, really, 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 really very sad to seeing Red Bull and seeing Max behind Lindlard and Lawson. It's really very tough times. It was like 2014 where Vettel and Kvyat also has not really good Red Bull and behind the Toro Rosso that time. And similar feelings we are getting today from the race. Seeing Max retiring with his car, it's not good. I'm not really a Max fan, but he also add that twist and refreshment to racing. Today Alpine is really good. So Colapinto and Gasly managing to be on the top, fighting for their places with each other, and otherwise it's really good seeing Fairman as well. Ferrari will be in the good hands if he'll join. Whenever he race was really good for me. It has everything again, fun drama, rolling start, everything, excitement is there. If you saw the race, you understand what I mean. I really am wanted to talk about Kimi's first win, where he felt that truly, and seeing him cry over there with his first win. I think everyone of us had that day somehow. But yeah, it was really warm feeling. All the very best for him. For the season, I hope he will give a good competition to Russell as well, because no one is talking about that yet. Everyone was like Russell will win the championship, but now we can see this little kid have the potential to go through and at least give some fight to Russell. So we have that competitive racing on the top as well. Russell and Lando both have the Mercedes engine, but Lando's car is not giving as much as the original Mercedes car because of the many factors, many technical factors, and many different parts of the machine of the racing car. So that's different thing. But so both have mentioned that Ferrari is good where it should be good, and they also have a great potential to be on the podium. Today, I don't even remember much of the race after watching being three Mercedes drivers on the podium. Everything like Russell also gave them like a chance to get the photo again. It's really very small things, I guess. But when you are in that position, being on that position, it's really, really appreciated. A very good gesture from Russell, and I'm still really I'm emotional and happy together. I don't know what to say, but hats off to the sport. It taught me a lot today as well that one day. So please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. We'll meet soon.